Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain license register for leaf trade manufacturing in Haryana. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you have to scroll down. Then you have to click on UDM registration online. Then you can click on the for new entrepreneurs who are not registered. So on this registration form, you have to enter your Aadhaar card number, name of the order, and then click on the validate and generate OTP button. So an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number linked with the order. Please enter the OTP at the prompted space and then click on the validate button to get the online registration form. Please complete the page prompts as appropriate and you have to upload all the necessary documents. Once all the mandatory details are filled, please click on the checkbox for the declaration and click on the submit button. So a pop-up with an alert message will be provided. Please click on the OK button and follow the on-screen information. Please save the acknowledgement slip for online submission of the application for future reference. This application will be proceed further. Please follow the department notification and follow their guidance to get the card. The card will be delivered to the address that was mentioned on the application or it will be delivered as per applicable norms. Then in fee section, then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section, so the fee charges for obtaining approval should be paid as per the respective department norms. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.